Hey, what is good, people? Ben from Lover of Cameras, and this is my new lens to accompany my Sony a7S III as I switched to Sony from Fuji, the Tamron F2.8 28-75 Di Mark III RDX. And this is my very quick unboxing of it. Now, funny enough, quick context, if you've not watched my unboxing of the a7S III, definitely go check it out. I switched over from the Fuji X-T4 after a year having it to the a7S III, and yeah, go check that out. Now, for context, honestly, I was not planning on getting the Tamron 28-75 as my first choice. If things were equal, I would have got the Sigma F2.8 24-70, slightly out of budget. Could have waited a bit, but I kind of needed it right now. So decided not to go for the Sigma, and I was actually going to go for the newer Sigma 28-70 F2.8. Now, that was more based on the size and the compactness of it and the reviews I was seeing in between. And the price was really, it was well within budget. Then all of a sudden, I saw that Amazon UK did pretty much a flash reduction of the Tamron, and it was way below £700 as I'm based in the UK, and I was like, yeah, I'm getting it. And as I'm unboxing it, you will see that the pictures of this lens do not do it justice for how compact it is for 28-75. Now, this is more of a budget entry zoom lens with a constant f2.8 for the Sony E-mount, and it's been out for a while. It's had some revisions and stuff, but my goodness, the pictures make it feel and look bigger. But when you actually have it, this lens is fairly compact, which is really good, and the distribution of it is really nice, and I think the build of it is decent. I really like it, and for the price, man, you cannot go wrong with the Tamron 28-75. Do I wish I got the Sigma? Yeah, potentially, but that lens is actually very big, and versus what I'm getting on the Tamron, yeah, this is looking decent. So yeah, this isn't gonna be anything major. It's just a quick unboxing of it. Definitely check out my a7S III unboxing. This will be the main lens that's on here. I do probably look for something wider as well, and I'm probably interested in getting the 20mm f2.8 from Tamron as well. Let me know if anyone has actually come across that lens. But yeah, this is honestly just my quick unboxing of the Tamron 28-75. This will be the main lens that I will be using with my a7S III. And if you enjoy content like this and you find yourself here for the first time, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on Lover of Cameras, all things dedicated to video. And I will see you next time.